through this program, I am explaining you how to do the validation. Suppose you are asking the user to enter marks, and suppose user enters a string, say my name, Bintu. So before you do your operations, division operator, modulo operator, you have to validate whether the user has entered a digit or not. So isdigit is the function provided by Python which gets you the boolean value true if the value in that variable is digit, otherwise it will get you the value false. You are asked to enter marks. Suppose you enter value say 15. 15 will be assigned to M. Isdigit will compare the value in M. Is it digit? Yes. So if block will be executed, enter data is numerical is the output you get on the screen. Suppose you run this program again. Instead of marks you enter say Bintu. Bintu will be assigned to M. Isdigit will compare that string. Is it a digit? No. So it will get you the logical expression false. It will go into else and it will get you the output as enter data is not numeric. Okay. This is just a validation program just to check if the entered value is digit or not. So I'll just copy this. Let's run this program. It's asking you to enter marks. Suppose I enter 20. Enter data is numeric. Suppose if I run this program again, enter marks. Suppose instead of entering marks, I enter my name. Enter data is not numeric, right?